All right, y'all. Today we are going to be going over a trading strategy, and I like to call this the uneven butt cheeks market cipher trading strategy. That's right, the uneven butt cheeks market cipher trading strategy. Now, if you enjoy this kind of content where we walk you through how to do technical analysis, how to find good trade setups, where we do technical analysis updates, giving you good levels to look at for trading and the market direction, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and we're going to be walking you through the uneven butt cheeks trading strategy. And we're really going to break this down into 3 parts, okay? And I'm just going to type this out. First of all, how to identify uneven butt cheeks, when they work best, and how to use multiple time frames to gauge the power of a move. Now, an uneven butt cheek pattern is something that is very, very powerful. This is the pattern that I used to get into this soul trade that I posted in here in the potential altcoin trade setup in the VIP Discord. During our Wednesday technical analysis live stream, we came up with this trade setup for Sol, where we were going to long from about this level down here when we came down to that golden pocket to get into a nice swing long position. And that trade hit perfectly. We can see right here that trade hit absolutely perfectly down here at the golden pocket to the dollar. And you know, that trade is currently in massive profits right now. We hit take profit 1 at 75%. We hit take profit 2 at 141%. And we are just coming up our take profit levels right here one at a time. And, you know, that's the trade that I'm currently in. Now, this is also the strategy that I used to take a short on Bitcoin from, if we come to the 1 hour time frame, actually come to the 24-minute time frame, take a short on Bitcoin from right up here. And again, this was a trade setup that I had posted in the VIP Discord under the potential Bitcoin swing trades on October 4th, where we were looking to short that exact level when we got our confirmations. Really, the confirmations are uneven butt cheeks. So what are uneven butt cheeks? Uneven butt cheeks are when you have a momentum wave on Market Cipher B. Now, this is the trading indicator I use called Market Cipher B. And what it is we have these things are called momentum waves. And when you have a momentum wave like this, that is a momentum wave. But sometimes you're going to get momentum waves that have 2 halves, right? For example, right here, we can see we have one momentum wave, but it's split down the middle, and the left side is bigger than the right side. We can think of this as butt cheeks, right? We can think of this as the left butt cheek and the right butt cheek. And the right butt cheek is smaller than the left butt cheek because when you do your squats, that right glute isn't firing. We can see the left butt cheek is so much bigger than the right butt cheek, right? And what this does is it means that we have a anchor wave and a trigger wave in a very short period of time, which, if combined with a divergence, will usually give us an explosive move to the upside. A divergence is where price and momentum are doing the opposite thing. If it happens on the bottom of Market Cipher B, we want to see price making a lower low while momentum is making a higher low, showing us that even though the price is coming down, there's no power for it to continue down because money and momentum is coming back into the market. Now, Market Cipher B is a very powerful indicator. I have a 25% discount in the description of this video. Also, if you do want to get into the VIP Discord where I post my potential swing and scalp trade setups, where we have a thriving community of people doing trades, doing technical analysis in here. I post TA every single day except Saturday in here, giving you the exact levels I'm looking to trade. You can import my exact charts into your trading view. We have a thriving community of people in here posting technical analysis, different ideas, different trade setups, and stuff like this in the Discord. It's a great community. You can get in by going to patreon.com/Jason Casper. So we're identifying these butt cheeks by seeing price making a lower low, momentum making a higher low on the bottom of Market Cipher. But on the top of Market Cipher, we want to see price making a higher high and momentum making a lower high. That is called a divergence. What we don't want to see is price making a, we can see right here that price is actually making a higher low while momentum is also making a higher low. A lot of people get confused and they say, hey, we have an uneven butt cheeks here. That's not a real uneven butt cheeks pattern, guys. A real uneven butt cheeks pattern is only when there is a divergence, okay? So we can see that we have one here. We can see that we have one here. Now let's try and identify some other uneven butt cheek patterns. Okay, right here on the 24-minute time frame, we can see that momentum is making a higher low, while price is making a very drastic lower low. Uneven butt cheeks, boom, we get a massive bounce to the upside. Up here, we can see price is making a higher high, while momentum is making a lower high. One momentum wave, left butt cheek is bigger than the right butt cheek, boom, we have a massive drop from there. Right here, price is making a higher high, momentum is making a lower high, and you could see uneven butt cheeks, boom, we get a nice little drop from there. We can even go down to the 1 minute time frame and see that this is a very good scalping technique too, right? Check this out, uneven butt cheeks right here. Well, actually, let's take a look at this one. This one's really a really good one where we have uneven butt cheeks. Price is making a lower low, momentum is making a higher low, boom, we get a massive pump. Let's see if we can find any other uneven butt cheeks patterns here on the 1 minute. Right here, this is a good one. We can see price on one momentum wave is making a lower high, while price is making a higher high, and boom, we get a nice little drop there. The best types of uneven butt cheek patterns are going to be the ones where we see these big old green dots on market Cipher B. Let's see if we can find some good examples of that. Here's one right here. This wasn't the best move. We're going to get into how to know if it's a good move right here, but when you see a big green dot like this and you see the uneven butt cheek pattern like that, that's how you know those are the really good ones. Of course, there's other criteria why you wouldn't necessarily want to take this one. We have to understand the context of everything. But that's how you identify uneven butt cheek patterns. Let's see if we can find some on the 6 minute time frame. I really find them to be powerful on the 6 minute time frame. Right here, this is a great one right here on the 6 minute time frame. We have uneven butt cheeks right here. Price is coming down, making lower, momentum's getting higher, boom, we have a massive move to the upside. Okay, that's how you identify an uneven butt cheek pattern. So when do they work best? Uneven butt cheeks patterns work the best when they are at an important level. Let's take a look at an Ethereum scalp that I made today, where I took a scalp from, if we go to the 3 minute time frame, I took a scalp from right up here. Okay, so how did I take that scalp? Well, price was at an important level. If we pull our fib from here to here, I'm sorry, that's not the scalp I took. This is the scalp I took. And how did I get into that scalp? If we take a fib from this swing high to this swing low, from this swing high up here to the swing low, we can see that we reject right out of a golden pocket. So when price gets to a significant level, that's when we're going to be looking for uneven butt cheeks, okay? It's very important that you only trade these uneven butt cheek patterns when they're at a significant level, okay? If we come to the Bitcoin chart here, we can see that the short I took from up here was at a significant level of, and there was an uneven butt cheek pattern on the 24-minute time frame here. This was a significant level. This was my my resistance box that I had on the chart. Let's see if I can find it right here. Yes, my resistance, my key resistance that we came up to as we got the uneven butt cheek pattern right there. We can also see that this one right here was at a naked daily point of control. So the ETH scalp I took today was at a golden pocket. The Bitcoin short, the first one, was at a naked daily point of control. The second epic one was at a key resistance level. And if we take a look here just at the local volume that I have going on, we can see that the long that we got today was from, actually this is not the volume that I want. Here we go. We can see that the long that we got today was from the value area low of this local range, okay? The uneven butt cheek pattern look at this massive bounce when we come down to the value area low, and we're getting the uneven butt cheek pattern on the 24-minute. Okay, you have to know how to mark out these levels. Otherwise, you could get an uneven butt cheek that doesn't play out too well. If you don't know how to mark these levels, if you don't know how to do technical analysis, check out jasoncaspertrading.com, because this course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a more confident, profitable trader. Even if you've never looked at a chart before or done any technical analysis, you can check out these testimonials. This will teach you how to get those key levels. It will teach you how to use market cipher in extreme detail, more than just looking at uneven butt cheeks, how to really understand the indicator so that you can know whether or not it's a good trade to take. Teaching you multiple trading strategies, teaching you how to do risk management, so that even if you don't win every trade and you're taking losses, you can still be profitable over time. It's the complete package. There's currently a 30% discount in the description of this video for a limited time. Check it out if you are interested. So you have to know how to mark your levels, guys. You have to know how. All right, let's see here. I'm going to take off some of these things here. So we're going to talk about looking at uneven butt cheek patterns on multiple time frames. What I mean by that is this. If you see an uneven butt cheek on the 4-hour time frame, that means it's going to be a very significant move to the downside. For example, if we go to Bitcoin, when we got that rejection a while ago here, we can see that we got an uneven butt cheek pattern on the 4-hour time frame. When we got that, where price was making a higher high right here and momentum was making a lower high right here, okay, we can see it's a slight lower high. And not only that, money flow is coming down, which is important to look at as well. You have to look at money flow if you want those massive moves. But this is how we know it's going to be a swing trade. When you see the uneven butt cheeks on the 4-hour time frame, man, that is massive. And we could have held this thing for a month. If you see it on the half-hour time frame and down, if you see it on the 1-hour time frame to the 30-minute time frame, then you can be looking at like a day trade. Maybe you could even hold it for a few days. If you see it on the 30-minute time frame to the 12-minute time frame, you're looking at a day trade, maybe a few hours. If you see it on the 12-minute time frame and under, you're definitely looking at a scalp. So Ethereum, we came up to this golden pocket, and what I'm doing now is I'm looking at market cipher B to see, do we have uneven butt cheek patterns, and where do we have them? Go to the 1 hour. Okay, do we have anything on the 1 hour? No, we have nothing. In fact, we just printed a green dot on the 1 hour, which is a bullish sign. Come down to the 30-minute. Do we have anything on the 30-minute? Nope, not even close. Again, we just printed a green dot, which is a bullish sign. We come to the 12-minute time frame. Do we have anything here? Well, it looks like we're about to print a red dot on the 12-minute time frame, which is telling me I could probably get in for a good scalp, right? Because just historically looking, every time we print a red dot in the 12-minute time frame, we come down a little bit, right? It's not always that much, but we come down. And so we're coming to a resistance. I see we're getting a red dot in the 12-minute time frame. Keep going down. Finally, when I get to the 3-minute time frame, I notice, okay, we're getting an uneven butt cheek pattern. This is what's going to get me into the short. Now, notice something. I'm going to go ahead and circle the uneven butt cheek pattern on the 3-minute and circle the price action that it's dealing with. Then we're going to go down to the 1-minute. Now, if you see uneven butt cheeks within uneven butt cheeks, then you know it's going to be a good trade. So within the uneven butt cheek that I circled on the 3-minute, we can see that we're actually getting an uneven butt cheek on the 1-minute as we put in that final high. Okay, this would have been my entry signal to get into the short. And this is a very powerful signal, because it's telling us that even though the price is pushing up high, it's showing us that people are trying to long into this resistance here. And because we can see money flow coming down, what that really means is that there are larger players in the market that are absorbing market longs with limit shorts, and it means the price is going to come down soon. It means there's an imbalance there, and there needs to be a correction from that imbalance, which means price needs to come down, and that's how we got into the short. And it was indeed a very juicy short. This is the this is my Bitcoin short that I took from 57,781, super juicy. This is the Ethereum scalp that I took, also super juicy. I didn't know we were going to dump that hard. But when you see butt cheeks within butt cheeks, that's how you know it's going to be real legit. So if we go back to the Bitcoin opportunity, where we could have shorted here, I did take a short somewhere in here. But we can see that as we come up, if we go down to a lower time frame, maybe the 24-minute time frame, we want to go back to September 6th and see if we see uneven butt cheek pattern here in the 24-minute time frame. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So notice this, the 4-hour time frame, this whole thing was our uneven butt cheek right here. Oh, sorry. This whole thing was our uneven butt cheek right here. Then we get to the 24-minute time frame, and we're just dealing with this little tiny bit of price action right here, okay? Then if we come down to maybe the 6-minute, we want to see, do we have uneven butt cheeks on the 6-minute? It's going to be really hard to get back there, guys. But you get what I'm saying. If you see uneven butt cheeks within uneven butt cheeks, then you know it's going to be a really nice move. So let's see right here. What do we have as we're making that final high? Do we have an uneven butt cheek on the 6-minute? No, we don't. But we do have massive bearish divergences, right? And money flow coming down. So if you see it on the 4-hour and then on the 24-minute, there's a butt cheek within a butt cheek, you know it's going to be a good swing trade. If you see it on the 6-minute and the 3-minute and the 1-minute, then you know it's going to be a good scalp. If you see it on like the 1 hour and the 30-minute, then you know it's going to be a good like day trade, possibly even holding it for a few days, okay? So that's it for the uneven butt cheek pattern, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are into this kind of content. And yes, God bless every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the uneven butt cheek. Yeah, the uneven butt cheeks, yes. The left always has to be bigger than the right. Always. You need more junk in the left side of the